Okay, so let's now focus on creating the widget that we're going to be using to actually upload the photos. And we're going to try and make this reusable, so we could potentially use it in other parts of our application. So what we'll do is we'll add this into our app folder inside common, and let's create a new folder and we'll call it image upload. And inside here, we'll create a new file and we'll call it photo upload widgets.tsx. And inside here, what we'll do is the normal import React from React, and we'll say export defaults function, and we'll say photo upload widgets, and we're going to return. And what we'll do for now is we'll just lay out how this component is going to look. So what we'll do is we'll add a grid that we get from semantic UI, and then we'll add a grid.column, and we'll give this a width equal to 4, and inside here we'll add a header. We'll give it a color equal to teal, and the content will equal step 1, add photo, and we'll also make this a subheader as well. And then what we'll do is we'll just copy this down 2 more times. So we'll add 3 steps to add a photo. Step 2 is going to be resize image, and at this point we'll give them a cropper. So they can resize and crop a specific area of an image they want to upload. And step 3 is going to be preview and upload. Now what we have here is 12 columns in a 16 column grid, and we want to add a bit of spacing in between these as well. Now semantic UI grids don't really give us a way to offset any grid columns, and the only option we have is to say grid.column, and we can make this self-closing, and we can give it a width equal to 1. And we'll just copy this and place it in between this one as well. So technically that adds up to 15. We don't have to add this to after this one, it just simply will end at 15 columns, but that's fine for what we're doing here. And then what we can do is just go back to our profile photo page or component, and what we'll do is we'll just replace our photo widget goes here with our photo upload widget component. And if we go take a look at this in the browser, we'll need to go back to Bob's profile, so just go to my profile, and if we click on photos, click on add photo, then all we've got so far is just the layout of our widget. And what we'll do next is take a look at adding a drag and drop facility so that a user can either drag a photo in here or click on the button to interrogate their file system and add a photo directly from there. And we'll take a look at that next.